Welcome kids big and small to our adventure, let's have a ball. With songs and stories every day, we're here to learn and laugh away. Tiny Explorers, that's our name. With friends and fun, it's all a game. Discover wonders near and far, you'll be the brightest little star. Tiny Explorers Academy.
Hi, Tiny Explorers! Are you ready to go on an amazing adventure through the alphabet? Today, we're going to learn our ABCs with some of the coolest animals on the planet. Let's get started. Can you guess where we are today? Yes, we are in the zoo. Let's go visit the Alphabet Zoo. Hooray! A is for ant. Ants are so tiny and they have many legs. Can you say ant?
I am ant.
B is for butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful. They love to be around flowers and fruits. Let's all say butterfly together.
I am a butterfly.
C is for camel. Camels are tall and they live in the deserts. They have a big hump on their back. Can you say camel?
I am a camel.
D is for dolphin. Dolphins are very smart and love to swim in the ocean. They can jump really high out of the water. Let's say dolphin.
I am a dolphin.
E is for elephant. Elephants have long trunks and big ears. They are the largest land animals on Earth. Say elephant with me.
I am an elephant.
F is for fox. Foxes are clever animals with bushy tails. They're really good at sneaking around quietly. Can you say fox?
I am a fox.
G is for giraffe. Giraffes have long necks that help them reach leaves high up in trees. They're the tallest animals on land. Let's say giraffe.
I am a giraffe.
H is for horse. Horses are strong and fast. They love to run across fields and are very friendly. Can you say horse?
I am a horse.
I is for iguana. Iguanas are reptiles with cool scaly skin and long tails. They love to bask in the sun and say iguana with me.
I am an iguana.
J is for jaguar. Jaguars are big cats with spotted coats. They are very strong and love to climb trees. Can you say jaguar?
I am a jaguar.
K is for kangaroo. Kangaroos hop around on their strong back legs and carry their babies in pouches. Let's say kangaroo.
I am a kangaroo.
L is for lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. They have loud roars and big manes. Can you roar like a lion and say lion?
I am a lion.
M is for monkey. Monkeys are playful animals that love to swing from tree to tree. They're very clever, too. Let's say monkey.
I am a monkey.
N is for narwhal. Narwhals are known as the unicorns of the sea because of their long spiral tusks. They live in the cold Arctic waters. Can you say narwhal?
I am a narwhal.
O is for owl. Owls are wise birds with big eyes. They can see really well at night and make a hooting sound. Let's say owl.
I am an owl.
P is for penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they're great swimmers. They live in icy places and love to slide on their bellies. Can you say penguin?
I am a penguin.
Q is for quail. Quails are small, plump birds with little feather crests on their heads. They like to run along the ground. Let's say quail.
I am a quail.
R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears and fluffy tails. They love to hop around and munch on carrots. Can you say rabbit?
I am a rabbit.
S is for snake. Snakes slither on the ground and have no legs. Some snakes are big and some are small. Let's say snake.
I am a snake.
T is for turtle. Turtles have hard shells that protect them. They move slowly on land, but can swim really well. Can you say turtle?
I am a turtle.
U is for urchin. Sea urchins are small, spiky creatures that live in the ocean. They move slowly along the seafloor, using their tiny tube feet. Can you say urchin?
I am urchin.
V is for vulture. Vultures have big wings and sharp eyesight. They soar high in the sky and help keep the environment clean. Can you say vulture?
I am a vulture.
W is for whale. Whales are the biggest animals in the ocean. They sing beautiful songs that can be heard underwater for miles. Let's say whale.
I am a whale.
X is for X-ray fish. X-ray fish have transparent bodies, so you can see their bones inside. They live in rivers in South America. Can you say X-ray fish?
I am an X-ray fish.
Y is for yak. Yaks have long, shaggy fur and live in cold mountain regions. They're very strong and help people carry heavy loads. Let's say yak.
I am a yak.
Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes that make them look unique. They live in groups called herds. Can you say zebra?
I am a zebra.
Hi, tiny explorers. I hope you enjoyed the Alphabet Zoo adventure. Wasn't it fun to see all those incredible animals in the zoo and learn what letter their names start with? So now let's listen and dance to a song about the letters of the alphabet.
A for ant, B for butterfly, C for camel, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fox, G for giraffe. Come along and sing with me, yeah. H for horse, I for iguana, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, L for lion, M for monkey, N for narwhal. We'll sing the letters once again. Now we know our ABCs. Learning letters is a breeze. Let's sing them out loud and clear with our friends far and near. O for owl, P for penguin, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for turtle, U for urchin. Join the fun, it's easy to do, yeah. V for vulture, W for whale, X for x-ray fish, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Singing letters makes us happy. Now we know our ABCs. Learning letters is a breeze. Let's sing them out loud and clear with our friends far and near. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. ABC time is such a treat. Ooh, ooh. Wave your arms and shout hooray. We love singing every day. We know our ABCs. Learning letters is a breeze. Let's sing them out loud and clear with our friends far and near. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yay, we did it!
It's great to see you all at the zoo. We learned the letters of the alphabet with the animals whose names started with one of the letters of the alphabet, and then we together listened to an amazing song. So now it's time for me to say goodbye. Please share and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Bye-bye for now.
Tiny Explorers Academy.